Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our M1 adjustable height struts. The strut features a 2-inch seamless extruded tube that has a zinc coating to avoid corrosion. It's also got a 46mm piston and an 18mm chromoly hyper polished rod. Each strut is loaded with a coil that is specific to the vehicle. This particular one is for the Ram 1500, and I'll show you that on the truck in a minute. This is a monotube design, so you're gonna have consistent fade-free performance no matter what the environment. It's also got digressive valving, which is gonna start off firmer for stabilization and get softer as you need it. It's gonna automatically adjust. And speaking of adjustment, you can actually adjust the height. Now you do have to disassemble the strut. I've got this one with the coil removed. We've got our coil seat here, and the way you adjust the height is you're gonna slide the coil seat up, and there's a snap ring here, and you've got different positions. This particular one is currently set at 2 inches of additional height from stock. Each notch is gonna be a 1/2 inch, so we've got the option to go a 1/2 inch up to 2.5, or we can go down to 1.5, 1, or a 1/2 inch. Now, to adjust it, you just need snap ring pliers, and you're gonna give it a little squeeze, pop the snap ring out, and reposition it. Now, believe it or not, this little snap ring is more than enough to handle the weight put upon it. You're gonna put your spring seat back in place, replace your coil and your strut hat, and install it on your vehicle. Now, this is a leveling strut, so it is a direct drop-in replacement for the factory strut. We'll take a look at it on this Ram. As you can see, it's got vehicle-specific mounts both at the bottom and the top, so installation is a breeze. So if you're looking for a fully adjustable solution to raise up the front of your vehicle with uncompromised ride quality, you're looking for Rough Country's M1 adjustable strut.